Alright guys, there's a free skin that came out today only for PC players. However, you don't need a PC. You don't need any gaming laptops in order to get any free skins or packs that come out that are exclusive just for PC players. You can just go into your Chromebook, for example, that you have from school, or just any Chromebook. There's a lot of tablets that can also do this, plus actually phones that can run Geforce. So here's the website, Geforce. It is 100% free. Yes, you can pay for it and you can subscribe, but you don't need to. Especially if you're just gonna do this, just join it for free, get the free membership, and then go ahead and run Geforce. So here's Geforce. And the way that Geforce works is that you don't download games or even update them. You can just play them right away. So right now I'm just gonna log in. So once you're fully logged in, you can just close this window. Takes you back here. And I just want to verify that this is in fact for free. So you're gonna see, well, here's my name, but it also says free because that's my subscription. I don't pay for it because I don't really play too much on Geforce, but Geforce now is pretty good. Anyways, we're just gonna click on Fortnite. Once we click on Fortnite, we should see something like this. So you do have to wait a little bit. Sometimes you can have 30 people, 60 people. Today, there's going to be more people than normal because of this pack that came out. So everybody's running into Geforce now in order to claim it. So that's why you might have quite a few people, and then you just have to wait a few seconds to actually log into it and just claim it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I do want to highlight that using Geforce now, you don't have to download Fortnite or Epic Games itself, anything from there, as well as any updates. You just need Geforce now, and that's it. Alright, so just after a bit, you should see the regular screen where you can just see everything you got. And yeah, since I haven't logged into this thing, I'm going to see this. Let me just skip out on this stuff. So right now we're in Fortnite. All we have to do is go right into our item shop. Once this pops up, just scroll down. Scroll or swipe all the way down until you see special offers. So these where you guys are going to see the packs and everything. You should see one that's free. So it says $0 on it. Just tap on that one. Once you tap on it, you're going to see this. Just click on purchase because it is $0. We should see something like so. It should say thank you. And we're all done. So right now we have quests, which is perfect. Just click on nice. And we're done. Once you do that, the pack from here in special offers is supposed to disappear. So we no longer see it because we already have it. Anyways, from here, we're going to just look at new quests, and we should see all the quests that we need to do. So down here below, we're going to see the Assassin's quests. And here we go. So we can just complete those Assassin's quests, and we're going to get everything. Now, as for the quest, I do want to highlight that some of these things, such as this, opponents. Again, it doesn't say players, it does say opponents. So I think we can complete this one just by killing IO guards, for example. So if you can't deal that much damage, just go into IO guards, or just go into something like Team Rumble, and we should be able to get that really quick. Survive storm phases, well, not just surviving, camping if you have to, but just do whatever you want. And ignite structures, well, we just have to set things on fire. So again, pretty easy quests to do. Alright guys, so it doesn't really matter which console you've got, or if you want to complete the quests in just using Geforce, does not matter at all. I'm just going to complete them right here on my Xbox. It could be my PlayStation, does not matter. I can just go into right here. I'm going to see the quests. So you can see that you can actually do them here. And yeah, we're just going to complete them actually in here. We're not going to do them anywhere else. So let's just start and get them done. Alright, so one of my plans is go into Cavern. And that's because there's a lot of IO guards here. So I think I can do a lot of damage by doing that. Obviously, Team Rumble would be the way to do a ton of damage and just keep going and going and going instead of having to reload back into the game every time. But I just wanted to show you that this actually does work. So here's an IO guard. We're just gonna finish him off. So right now, if I go here, I can see that it dealt damage, 347. So again, and that's because it's an IO guard. It's an opponent. It does not say player. So that's why you guys can go anywhere where there's a bunch of IO guards or anything easy like that and just kill them all. Now here's the boss. I should be able to get a lot of damage off this opponent. So let's just kill him and then get the rewards. There we go. So right now it's at 899. Oh no, it went up to 2000. So right now if I go here, it's 2000. Just maybe one IO guard left, and then we're good to go. Now right now I just dealt a little bit more damage, and I got the harvesting tool. I went right into Team Rumble in order to do that. So I completed one of the quests. So if you go into quests, I'm gonna see that that one's done, and I just have to light some fire, storm faces, and just keep going with that. So right now we're gonna go on and get some fire going. So there's a lot of fireflies everywhere. It's pretty easy to catch them. We're gonna collect as many as possible. So it does say ignite structures. So we just make something out of wood. And here we go. Light it on fire. Just let it burn. It's burning quite a bit of stuff. Alright, so what I did right here was bring over a car and explode it against this building, thinking that I would get the points for that, but no. So that doesn't work, so don't waste your time doing that. Now in Team Rumble, the bad thing's that surviving storm faces doesn't count, but igniting structures or killing people, yes. But hey, since we completed one of the quests, we do get this, so we can go ahead and equip it. Now what I think one of the best places to get fireflies is around here. Let me just show you on the map really quick where I'm at. And yes, that would be at the daily. So anywhere pretty much that there's forest, there should be fireflies, but daily has quite a bit. So here's one of the places where to get fireflies. Let's just get them. And that should be enough to complete the challenge. We just need to get a lot more wood. And again, if you find houses that are made out of wood, even better, which I can see them right ahead. So we're just gonna throw that fire against the house. Build a little structure just because somebody was firing at me, but oh yeah, I can see those shots. So let me just burn this up and then keep going. Okay, I'm gonna have to get rid of this guy. He's just keeps going after me. I don't really want to fight anybody because I want to survive some storm. But okay. The house is not all fully burned. Surprises me. So let's build something. Should be almost done with the challenge. So I'm just gonna build something random. And here we go. That's the last one. That should be able to complete the challenge just with that last one. And just in case, let's build a little more. Okay, we just completed that challenge. Alright, so we just have to survive storm faces. Now what I personally like to do is get a car, tag the middle of the map, and just write down there, then change to passenger on the back, and stay. There's been lots of times people have even come in the car, drove, left, or drove me places. They have no idea. They never actually look at the back. If you're wearing a very vibrant skin, they might see you. So this one's not the best skin. But if you're wearing something dark or something that looks like a leaf or something like that, you should be okay. So wear something darker so they won't notice you. And also get a dark car. This one's not the best example. So keep in mind that surviving storm phases means you have to survive, try to survive all of them in every single game, and that way it's only going to take a few games in order for you to finish up this challenge. Alright, so at this point in quests we are at 48 out of 50, so we just need 2 more storm phases. We're just about to hit 49 out of 50 as the storm moves in, and we should be able to see something on the screen saying that. So right now, it says 49 out of 50. We just have to move in there, and then basically, if we survive to make it into this last storm, then we're good. Alright, so right now, we just survived the last storm phase. We don't really need to make it to the next one. We just got everything. But, although it says all quests completed right now, we're gonna try to get a better position at least. So right now we're just gonna return to lobby and we should be fine. Alright, as we return to lobby, finally we get the last thing right here. And obviously we get the skin. And here we go. That's it. We both got the skin. We're done. Anyways, that was it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.